update. It's been 3 weeks and I got my golfer back from Victorinox in Connecticut. So let's take a look and see how this repair went. So yeah, not bad, you know, it took 3 weeks. So again, I wanted to have them replace that back spring so that it tightens up the stopping action of the scissor. And also I'm hoping that they, well, I'm pretty sure that they would have added back a new scissor spring. All right, this is getting a little bit more difficult than I need it to be. So let's go here. Okay. Ah, no kidding. Whoa, did they replace the scissor? What? That is super weird. Oh man. Oh, look at this. I asked for, yeah, the process of submitting this for repair is pretty cool. They give you the option of changing out the scales, which I opted for. Oh, nice. Okay. So here's what I wrote. Instructions there. Well, let's see what we got here. Wow, no kidding. That's okay. So new, wow, beautiful. We have brand new scales. And we still have the original fluted corkscrew, which I bent back right before it went out. Oh, that feels snappy. And we've got our old school, the original combo tool with no half stop. Now I did hold on to the tweezers and toothpicks, so these are new ones. I kind of cheated my way into new ones. All right, and then we've got the yes, I believe they've cleaned that up, and man, they made this look brand new. And here it is. Let's see what we got here. Wow. Brand new set of scissors? Are you kidding me? So now I have a spare scissor. I have a spare 84 millimeter scissor. Dude, that is pretty rockin'. How could they do that? That's crazy. Oh my. Okay, well, I'm definitely gonna put this to good use somehow. Problem is, replacing the spring on the 84 millimeter scissors is kind of a chore, because you'll see here the only spring available is the large spring that goes with the 91 millimeter, and the hole that it fits into, you'll see here, is much smaller on the 84 millimeter. But wow, look at that. So yeah, this is a brand new back spring. Look at that, it's super clean, brand new. And so yeah, it snaps together nicely. Nice firm stop right there. Wow, this is awesome. You know what? Victorinox is an awesome company, gotta tell you. They really rock. That is just super, 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 super. So I've got the 84 millimeter golfer and the 91 millimeter golfer. This one here has the hook. Of course, they don't make an 84 millimeter version of the hook. Got the scissor, yeah. And this one, of course, instead of the combo tool, it's got the divot fixing tool. And it's got the plus scales with the pen. Yeah, pretty sweet. All right, Well, this is gonna go in the vault. Oh man, I can do a mod with this and add scissors to one of my, well, we'll see. See what we can do with that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take it easy.